Change orders are common, but documenting variations in scope or quantities after a bid has been won can be an administrative challenge. The change order feature within B2W Estimate streamlines the process, making it easy for contractors to create and store change orders directly within the original project estimate. Here's how. We're going to go right into this change order example estimate, and we're going to move over to the Estimate Detail tab. Here, under the costing menu, you'll see there's a button for creating new change orders. You hit the button, you give it an ID, we'll call it change order 1, and then you give it a description. We're going to do some additional grading. And hit add. At this point, you're given a prompt that you can lock your base bid. So yep, I want to lock down the costing and pricing in my base bid. And now you'll see the node for change orders. When I open it up, you'll notice you have the same functionality as when you're creating your base bid: pay items, indirects, cost groups, Excel workbooks. So in this case, I need to add grading, and I have a grading item already in there. We're going to add additional 1,000 square yards of grading. So I'm going to copy that original item, bring it right down here, and I'm going to paste it in. Now you could have brought that out of your item database, you can create it on the fly, but now I have my fine grading change order item, and I'm going to say this is an additional 1,000 square yards of grading. I can manage any crew changes, production rate, whatever I need to do here. And really, that's it. You've created a change order, and again, you can create as many of those change orders as you want. So that's the costing area. Now we also can change the status of this change order. So right now it's in a draft status. I'm going to say it's ready to go. Now when we go to pricing, under bid pricing strategy, you'll notice you have a change order node here as well. Again, the same functionality that you have when you're creating your base bid, but now I can use maybe a different bond table, I can apply different overhead, different profit, whatever you like, and you'll be able to see that information for your change order right over on the side, just like you do for your base bid. Distribution, same functionality is here as well. If you had multiple change order items, you could use the same distribution to apply those monies wherever you like across the change order. Item pricing, again, same thing. We can come up and we can go to filters and groups, and I can toggle between my base bid and my change order, and then go to the costing menu, and I want to distribute that price into my change order. Boom, there it is, done and done. Also on the summary tab, you have the ability to go between your change order values and the base bid, or you can look at the entire estimate. And for the bid form, we also have a change order node here as well. So you can go in and add terms and conditions that are specific to your change order, bid form settings if you have groupings, things like that you need to show, and ultimately print or fax your bid form specific to your change order. And for those of you who are using the operations platform, you can come to here and you'd be able to send that change order or direct which change order out of this bid you'd like to send over to operations for maybe tracking purposes.